Hey, my name is Andrew Woodward, and I'm the owner of Woodward Performance. You may not know yet exactly who we are or what we do, but today I want to give you a little taste of exactly what you can expect to see on our journey going forward. Right behind me, you'll notice one of the most advanced cars that GM has ever built, the C8 Z06 Corvette, which has engineering derived directly from the Ferrari 458 Italian. Research actually began on the project all the way back in 2014, nicknamed as the Gemini project, due to its twin 87mm throttle bodies, twin cams, twin high-pressure fuel pumps, and even as a tribute to NASA's Gemini space program. And just to communicate how much of a rocket the C8 Z06 really is, it has 54 little rocket ships stamped in various spaces in the engine bay. Now, if that doesn't tell you how much of a rocket the C8 Z06 is, I don't know what else does. Today we're going to be talking about what can be done with your C8 Z06 that will really turn on the thrusters. Now, some of you may already know that tuning support for the C8 Z06 and the ZR1 was only just released, but on this specific car we're going to be doing some modifications that will allow you to keep your factory warranty on the stock tune. So let's get started. So the C8 Z06 in its stock form makes 670 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque, which on our dyno jet here translates to 556 horsepower and just under 400 foot-pounds of torque. So now that we have our baseline, it's time to get some upgrades in. Right here we have the Eventuri carbon fiber intake system, we have the Solar Performance twin ported throttle bodies, we have the Yonristic Edition exhaust system, should sound really good, and then we'll be installing an EOS carbon fiber rear wing as well. So now that we have all the parts, it's time to get started on the install. So with the Eventuri Intake, the Solar Ported Throttle Bodies, and the Yonristic Exhaust System, peak power gains came in at about 15 horsepower and 28 foot-pounds of torque. However, if you look at the mid-range gains, you'll notice that we actually gain about 51 horsepower and 59 foot-pounds of torque. That's pretty impressive considering the thing is still on the stock tune. Let's go test it out. We thought it'd be cool to park it next to a rocket ship considering the heritage, but this is about the closest thing we could find. But that's neither here nor there. You can't exactly take a car like this out on a public road to test it out, so we came out to the airstrip. The LT6 engine in the latest Z06 is something truly special in the history of American supercars. The level of engineering required to build something like this is not something that you normally see in the domestic car culture we have here. But Corvette has brought a new level of refinement into the industry that has most certainly caught the attention of our European cousins on the other side of the pond. And with the new 01 and 01X now rolling off the assembly line, there's no telling what Corvette has in store for us next. The C8 Z06 is still considered a new platform with much uncharted territory waiting to be explored. But we're up to the task of unveiling the mysteries that lie within. So if you're looking to turn your C8 Z06 or even your ZR1 into something truly special, you know where to find us.